Fresh coconuts are carefully harvested from tall palm trees in tropical farms.
Workers gather coconuts into baskets, preparing them for transport to the factory.
Workers gather coconuts into baskets, preparing them for transport to the factory. The coconuts are transported in trucks to a modern factory for processing.
In the factory, coconuts are thoroughly washed to remove dust and dirt.
Only high-quality coconuts are selected. Damaged ones are removed from the production line.
Each coconut undergoes careful inspection to ensure quality standards are met.
The coconuts are prepared for drying, either under the sun or on conveyor dryers.
The hard outer shell is removed using automated cutting machines in the factory.
Fresh coconut water is extracted using mechanical presses, ready for filtration.
Fresh coconut water is extracted using mechanical presses, ready for filtration.
The coconut water is filtered to remove any pulp, ensuring clarity and hygiene.
The coconut meat is separated from the shell, both manually and with machines.
The coconut meat is washed thoroughly to maintain cleanliness.
The coconut meat is grated into fine pieces using industrial machines. The grated coconut is pressed to extract fresh coconut milk.
The milk is filtered to remove fibers and ensure a smooth texture.
The coconut milk is gently heated for pasteurization to ensure safety. Lab technicians test the coconut milk for quality and consistency.
Coconut milk is poured into bottles using automated filling machines.
Each bottle is sealed automatically to maintain freshness.
Professional labels are applied to each bottle for branding.
The bottles are packed into boxes for storage and shipment.
Boxes are stacked on pallets in the warehouse for organized storage.
All finished coconut products are stored in a clean, temperature-controlled warehouse.
Pallets are prepared for shipment using forklifts and organized methods.
Finished products are loaded into trucks for delivery to markets.
Coconut meat is pressed to extract coconut oil in an industrial press.
The coconut oil is filtered to remove any solids for purity. Coconut oil is poured into bottles using automated machines. Each bottle is labeled professionally in English for branding.
The bottled oil is packed into boxes and prepared for shipment.
Coconut meat is shredded into fine desiccated coconut using industrial machines.
The desiccated coconut is dried in industrial ovens for preservation.
The dried coconut is packed into bags with clear labels.
The dried coconut is ground into fine coconut flour for cooking and baking. The coconut flour is packed into bags and made ready for distribution. Coconut slices are baked or fried into crispy coconut chips.
The crispy coconut chips are packed and labeled for sale.
Coconut cream is extracted by pressing the meat into a thick, creamy liquid.
The cream is filtered to ensure smooth consistency and quality.
Coconut cream is poured into jars using automated filling machines.
Each jar of coconut cream is labeled professionally in English.
The jars are packed into boxes, ready for shipment.
Coconut husks are shredded into coir fiber using industrial machinery. The fiber is dried in industrial ovens to make it suitable for products. The dried fiber is bundled and packed for distribution. Coconut shells are heated to create activated carbon for industrial use.
The activated carbon is filtered and packed into bags for shipment.
Coconut sap is boiled to create natural coconut sugar crystals. The coconut sugar is packed into bags, ready for distribution.
Coconut milk is turned into powdered form using industrial drying machines.
The powdered coconut milk is packed and labeled for sale.
Coconut shells are converted into charcoal in high-temperature kilns.
The coconut charcoal is packed and stored for shipment. Fresh coconut water is bottled using automated machines. Professional labels are applied to coconut water bottles. The bottled water is packed into boxes and stacked for shipment. Fresh coconut meat is frozen in industrial freezers for preservation. Frozen coconut is packed into bags, ready for export.
Coconut meat is ground into smooth paste for culinary use.
The coconut paste is packed in jars and labeled.
Coconut milk is mixed with natural flavors to create beverages.
Coconut beverages are bottled using automated machines.
Each bottle is labeled professionally for retail. The coconut beverage bottles are packed and stacked for shipment.
Quality control technicians inspect all coconut products.
All coconut products are stored in a clean, temperature-controlled warehouse. Coconut products are loaded onto trucks for delivery.
The coconut products are displayed on store shelves, ready for customers. From milk and cream to oil, water, flour, and chips, fresh, healthy, and natural coconut products.